This week we're going to begin talking about internet safety and digital citizenship. And we're going to be doing it this year through videos about Faux Paw the cat. So there are several videos we are going to be using, but we're going to be using a program called Edpuzzle to watch those videos and answer questions about what we are watching and what we are learning. So depending on which class you're in, you're going to click on either Hanson, Moskowitz, or Howard's link, and it's going to take you to Edpuzzle. The reason we have to click on the certain link is because it puts in the code that you need for that specific class to join the correct class. So what we're going to do is once we click on your link, it says log in with Google. So we're going to click on that. And since I clicked on Hanson's link, here's Hanson's code. It says, you know you're in the right class. So I'm going to click join. So now, once you have joined, and you're going to be joining with your Google account, but it joined with my Google account since I was signed into my account, but we're going to be joining with your name and your Google account. You are going to see your first video. It says Faux Paws Adventures in the Internet. And it tells you your due date, it tells you your status, how much of it you've watched, how many of the questions you've answered, and how many you've answered correct. So I would click start, and my video is going to pop up. So you're going to watch the video, and when you get to a green mark, that's going to be a question. And you're going to hear my voice read the question to you. Now, I think it switches the order of the answers. It doesn't keep them the same. So you got to be careful. Even though I'm reading it to you, the answer choices may be read in a different order. So make sure you're paying attention to what you're answering, not just listening to the order that I read them in and just clicking on it. When you are finished with that activity, then the other activities are going to pop up on the next day and the next day and the next day. So overall, we're going to be doing Faux Paw the Technocat, Faux Paw Meets the First Lady, Faux Paw and the Dangerous Download, and Faux Paw Goes to the Games. On Friday, we're going to be doing a 10 tips internet safety thing as a final wrap-up quiz to everything you've learned this week. So when you're done, I will have on Miss Page's Lab what you can go to next if you have finished that activity for the day. And I'm not going to do a video for each day because you already know how to get in and you know what to do. You'll just go to the picture of the Faux Paw video. That's the one that will pop up for the next day that's due, and that's the one you're doing. So we won't do a video each day, but we'll go to the link for the next day and you'll be able to see which one you're doing.